The moment of glory that every Indian has been waiting for has finally arrived, with the Indian cricket team lifting the T20 World Cup after 17 long years. Rohit Sharma's formidable men in blue won the pendulum nail-biter against a determined South Africa by 7 runs to register their first World Cup triumph across formats since 2011. Now opting to bat, Rohit and Virat gave India a dream start before losing the hitman skipper for 9, followed by Rishabh Pant for a duck. Now, in the lead-up to the finals, Rohit Sharma had said that Virat Kohli was saving the best for the last, and King Kohli did absolute justice to Rohit's words, scoring a much-needed 76 to stabilize the innings with quick knocks by Axar Patel and Shivam Dube to take India's final tally to 176, which also happens to be the highest ever T20 World Cup total. Now, the unbeaten South Africa put up a great fight, with each successive over swinging between the two teams, keeping the team and fans on tenterhooks. In spite of their valiant efforts, the Proteas went down fighting to end the final match, with most of the Indian players in celebratory tears. Now, amidst the jubilation and tears of joy, India's crown jewels, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, announced their retirement from the T20 international cricket format, ending their short format career on a high. With the win, India lifted their second ICC T20 World Cup trophy and their fourth World Cup overall.
I'm not one of those guys who thinks about redemption and those kind of things. As a player, I was not lucky enough to win a trophy, but I tried my best. I gave my best whenever I played, and it wasn't to be. That happens. It's part of sport. There are a lot of other players I know who have not been able to win a trophy. I was lucky to be given the opportunity to coach a team, and I was lucky that this bunch of boys made it possible for me to be able to win this trophy. And it's a great, nice feeling. But it's not like I'm aiming for some redemption. It's just a job that I was doing. I love doing the job. I've loved working with with Rohit and this team, and it's been a great journey, and I've really enjoyed it. I'm not looking for it again. I'm not a legacy person. I'm not looking for legacies. I just feel glad that we gave it the best we could. It's not just me. I think I'd like to really just acknowledge the support staff that I've worked with, the coaching staff that I've worked with. I think I've been lucky to have been working with a truly exceptional, hardworking, professional intelligent bunch of coaches and other support staff who have made it possible for us to create a fantastic environment led by Rohit that has, I'm glad, with a bit of luck, resulted in this trophy as well. And
मेरे को अभी किसी ने बताया भाई you started in 2007, you won the World Cup and you leaving the game winning the World Cup, so that's a tailor-made situation for me. बेस्ट मतलब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था जब पहली बार इंडियन टीम में आया था 2007 में। पहला मेरा चैलेंज था, ऑब्वियसली मैं आयरलैंड गया था 50 ओवर के लिए, बट उसके बाद तुरंत ही हम साउथ अफ्रीका गए थे T20 वर्ल्ड कप खेलने के लिए और वहाँ पे जीते। तो उसके बाद अभी ये तो फुल सर्कल, प्रॉपर सर्कल, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस।
Well, they've been outstanding performers. I mean, if you take the records, I mean, it's going to be very difficult, to replace them immediately. Of course, you're going to have talent coming through, but it's going to be a great loss for the moment. But hopefully, we should get some young cricketers. Like the IPL has thrown up so much of talent, especially in the younger category, younger players. So hopefully, we're not going to be easy, but. We can try and get some young cricketers to at least do what they've done. Well, but Rahul as the cricketer has been fantastic. I mean, and his contribution to the team has been tremendous because the experience that he brought to the table. I mean, he really did a fantastic job with them.
इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज 140 करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है।
Feels obviously very, very special. I've said it multiple times before as well. This was a dream which I wanted to win. Someone from where I come from in my life, how life has been. You know, this is something which was always a dream, and it's the feeling which I can't describe because it has finally happened, and more so over when I know that everything came down to me at the end. Just very, very happy for the group, and finally got this.
It's a big win for the Indian team today, so how do you put it?
No, I think it's a great win. It's, I say, justification of all the preparation, all the hard work that has gone into it. And I think it's deserved because given the way India has had the resources, the human resource, the economic resource, this is exactly what we need. And have Virat Kohli going out to his T20I career with this sort of win.
And so what do you say about Jasprit Bumrah? He is a player that needs to be spoken about more and more and more.
I don't know how much more we can say about Jasprit. I think I've exhausted all the words that I can, but he's a legend, and I hope that India continue to use him to bring on.
And so any message for the Indian team of what they've achieved today? They've done it after 2007 when MS Dhoni won it last. But Rohit Sharma, it's been emotional.
Yeah, more for the fans. I remember the heartbreak that I saw after the final of the World Cup last year at the airport in Ahmedabad.
Virat Kohli always come to crunch, okay? And he makes that punch. And he did that in the final.
Crossing over to my colleague Abhishek, who joins us interestingly from Shivaji Park, which is where Sachin Tendulkar used to play. Abhishek, good morning. Of course, it's been a very good night as well, considering we've been victorious in the T20 World Cup, winning the title. Tell us more about the celebrations that have been taking place.
Definitely, you can see the craze. I will show you. It's monsoon morning today, but still, you can see the cricket fan playing cricket since morning, and this is the craze with which they play, and you can clearly understand, what is the importance of cricket for people in Mumbai. We are joined by many cricket fans out here. They are waiting for their turn, but let's try and understand. क्या कहेंगे सर, किस तरीके का वर्ल्ड कप रहा? बड़ी उम्मीद थी कल और हम उम्मीद पर खरे उतरे।
बहुत अच्छा, हम लोग बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड कप जीतने का कारण, क्योंकि ये 50 ओवर का वर्ल्ड कप अपने हाथ से गया था। वो दिल में कुछ बात चुभी थी कि बाबा आगे का वर्ल्ड कप तो कम से कम आना चाहिए, और जैसे हम लोग का सोचा था वो हिसाब से इंडिया खेली और वर्ल्ड कप जीता। हम लोग बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं।
रोहित शर्मा की आप बात करें, मुंबई के बोरीवली से आते हैं, 2007 में शुरुआत की थी, अब रिटायरमेंट ले रहे हैं और एक शानदार पारी खेली, कहीं ना कहीं एक टीम लीड करके पूरे टीम को आगे तक लेके आए।
बहुत बढ़िया कैप्टनशिप किया रोहित शर्मा ने, और मैं तो चाहता हूं कि और 2 साल वो खेले, दूसरा 2026 का भी वर्ल्ड कप खेलेगा तो भी वो आराम से खेल सकता है, क्योंकि इतना अच्छा बैटिंग कर रहा है। और जो स्टार्ट उसने दिया है बहुत बढ़िया, कुछ भी कोई सेल्फिश गेम नहीं किया उसने, जो हिसाब से अपने को स्टार्ट चाहिए वो हिसाब से बैटिंग किया उसने। कोई सेल्फिश गेम नहीं बिल्कुल भी कि मेरा स्कोर होना चाहिए, मेरे को सेंचुरी चाहिए, मेरे को 50 चाहिए, नहीं। उसने पहले 6 ओवर में जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्कोर होगा उतना वो हिसाब से खेला है, और उसका रिजल्ट है जी आज अपन मैच जीते वर्ल्ड कप।
सर, बुमराह की अगर बात करें तो कैसे देखते हैं, किस तरीके का बॉलिंग लाइनअप रहा और क्या कहेंगे हमारी जो जीत हुई है इस बार, हमने वर्ल्ड कप भारत आ रहा है।
बुमराह तो क्या एकदम जबरदस्त बॉलिंग किया उसने, क्योंकि वो अपना स्टार प्लेयर ही है। और उसके बारे में क्या कहना है, उसका यॉर्कर और ये सब, उसने तो पूरा मैच ही घुमा दिया। नहीं तो मैच अपना हाथ से ही जाता था। 30 बॉल 30 चाहिए था, तभी बुमराह आया, उसने और मैच पलट दिया पूरा।
हार्दिक पटेल के लिए काफी क्रिटिसिज्म रहा, लेकिन एक तरीके से बड़ी पारी खेली उन्होंने आखिरी मैच में।
हार्दिक पांड्या का सब जो जोश था अपना मुंबई का लोगों का, वो सब खत्म हो गया और सब लोग अभी उसको प्यार करने लगे।
अभी वो इंडिया के लिए खेल रहा है, इसके लिए उसको बहुत प्यार है। अभी मुंबई के लिए था, हम लोग मुंबई के लिए उसको गाली दे रहे थे, वो बात अलग था। हम लोग को भी बुरा लग रहा था, रोहित शर्मा का कैप्टनसी गया था अभी, लेकिन अभी बहुत। और कल का मैच जो सूर्या कुमार यादव ने जो कैच पकड़ा है मिलर का, एक नंबर कैच है वो कैच की वजह से मैच पूरा टर्न हो गया मैच।
Definitely, these are the fans who are, playing cricket in the morning, despite of the rains in Shivaji Park, and definitely you can understand this is not only in Mumbai. Several cricket fans across India are rejoicing the victory of the T20 World Cup, and definitely we are also eagerly waiting for team to come back, and there will be a massive felicitation program in Mumbai as well as in Delhi. In fact, wishes from all across the country are pouring in currently. Back to you.
Absolutely, Abhishek. In fact, let's actually listen into some of those wishes and some of the excitement, which is, of course, going to continue for the days to come.
I'm happy India win. I'm enjoying myself in Barbados.
Listen, this was a fantastic match, and I want to congratulate India on a win. What a game. We are all West Indians, we are all Barbadians, but we are so proud. Congratulations once again.
And Bumrah was amazing.
यार kudos to Dravid, kudos to Rohit Sharma. एक हार्ट ब्रेक देखना, उसके बाद कम बैक करना और उन प्लेयर्स के साथ करना, like हार्दिक पांड्या who was disgusted for captaining Mumbai Indians. That guy went through an emotional journey. Rohit Sharma to play along with all these players and give India this precious moment. धोनी के बाद किसी ने किया है तो रोहित शर्मा।
10 साल के इंतजारी के बाद पहली बार इतनी खुशी कभी नहीं देखी हमने। Thank you for making our memories together.
We love you, India. We won the game. Woo!
We are the winner and we love Virat Kohli and he's going to be always admired and listened for the India. Love you all.
आज का मैच तो बिल्कुल ही जबरदस्त मैच था। आज का मैच जो था, बस एक टाइम पे तो मेरे को लग रहा था सांसें फूल गई थी, सभी की फूल गई थी। 5 ओवर में 30 रन दिए थे, फिर जो बुमराह का ओवर था वो टर्निंग पॉइंट था। और जो स्काई ने जो स्काई में कैच लिया है उसने सभा मार दिया, लगा वापस आ गए। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो है, ये टूर्नामेंट किसी एक प्लेयर ने नहीं जिताया, ये हमारी पूरी टीम ने जिताया। बैट्समैन ने पूरा खेला, बॉलर ने अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, फील्डिंग ने अच्छी करी, कैचिंग अच्छी करी। वी डिड अ वेरी फैंटास्टिक जॉब। तो हम इस स्टार्टिंग से डिजर्व कर रहे थे और आज हमने करके दिखाया। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज